I got a real fun one to start the day here. I got these up and down hills. I could barely get my truck down this road. And I had a hell of a time getting the Moffett off. But I found the only spot that I could actually unload here. And I gotta pray to God that somebody doesn't come over this little hill right here and hit the back of my truck. See a lot of crazy drivers up here with their off-road trucks. But I gotta go to this house up here, and I couldn't make it any farther up this road with my truck. There's nowhere to unload, and I could potentially get the truck stuck here. So just gotta do the rest of the legwork with the Moffett. And these are a little challenging. Fortunately, these railroad ties stick to the forks pretty well. If I had something slippery on the forks, it wouldn't have been so much fun. I got a pretty steep incline I'm going up. I gotta take a turn left up this hill to the house. And this customer wasn't answering the phone, but it is approved for unattended drop. It's pretty obvious nobody lives here. It's a complete rebuild. So I'm gonna use my best judgment, just drop it right here. That's better than curbside, because curbside is actually the damn street. There is no curbside. So just gotta get my photo real quick. On my way back how high up I am here. So to get my forklift back on the truck, I'm gonna have to take the forklift, I guess, back to the other road. I don't think I'll be able to get the forklift on. I was able to get it off, but the angle is just so hard to get it off. I don't think getting it back on will be that easy. Plus now I gotta back up a hill. So if I have that forklift and I'm trying to back up, my rear Moffett tire could get me hung up. So this way I'll have the weight off of the truck. You can see in a precarious spot I'm in here. The back of the truck's going uphill. And then I also have this power line here, or a support cable for the power line coming off right across the road. I had to be careful coming over this hill not to clip my my forklift on the on that line. So I'm gonna have to park the forklift over here so I can back the truck back down out of this road. Now that I got up there, I almost wish I just would have driven the forklift from the road down here. Now I gotta walk all the way back. And I gotta back out of this spot here. So I'm just gonna use this guy's property for a second. Alright, so I gotta go rescue my truck here. Sometimes you go up these roads, you don't know what you're gonna get to, then you get to a point where you just can't go any farther. But you don't want to get too far to where you know you can't back out. So that's, I got to that point and I was like, if I go up that other hill, I wasn't sure how it would go. if I went any farther. So I can see my bed of my truck is all crooked and off the front end, so trying to get the forks in the back of here may not have worked. But you can even see the front of my cab, how kilter it is from the headboard there. But, so I'm gonna get my pins set so I don't lose them backing out. Don't want to lose any of my parts. And yeah, from there I'll just slowly get myself out of here in reverse and be done with this.